The last words before a new beginning. The people are at the edge of the promise. The long journey is ending. A new chapter is ready to begin. But Moses knows something important. Before people move forward, they must understand what truly sustains life. So his final words are not only instructions. They are wisdom, not only for that generation, but for every generation that must choose how to live. Conditions for restoration. Return is always possible. Moses speaks about restoration. Even after failure, drift, or disobedience, there is a path back. Return with sincerity. Realign the heart. Choose again. This is one of the most hopeful messages in Deuteronomy. Meaning today, people often think mistakes are final. But many seasons can be restored when there is honesty, humility, and renewed direction. You may lose focus. You may waste time. You may drift. But you are not without a path back. Restoration begins when denial ends. Life and happiness. The result of wise choices. Moses places before the people a clear contrast. Life and good. Death and destruction. Not as mere punishment, but as consequence. Choices shape outcomes. Meaning today, happiness is not built only through emotion or luck. It often grows from healthy decisions, good habits, honest relationships, meaningful purpose. The lesson is simple. Many futures are formed by daily choices. Joshua takes the place of Moses. Succession matters. Joshua is appointed to lead. The mission continues, but leadership changes. This moment teaches that no person carries every season. Even great leaders must one day pass the responsibility forward. Meaning today, healthy leadership prepares others, whether in family, business, or community. A wise leader does not only build results. A wise leader builds successors. Legacy is not only what you accomplish, it is what continues after you. The unloyalty of Israel. The human tendency to drift. Moses warns that future generations may drift. They may forget. They may become unfaithful. They may trade truth for convenience. This is not only about ancient people. It is about human nature. Meaning today, people drift gradually. Less awareness, less gratitude, less discipline, more distraction. Direction is rarely lost in one dramatic moment. It is often lost quietly. That is why regular reflection matters. The Song of Moses. Memory through message. Moses teaches a song to Israel. Why a song? Because songs are remembered. The message would stay with the people long after speeches were forgotten. Meaning today, truth needs to be remembered, not merely heard once. That is why reminders matter. Repetition, reflection, habits, meaningful words. Wisdom that is remembered becomes guidance in difficult seasons. The law that gives life, principles, not burdens. Moses presents the law as life-giving, not as chains, but as guidance. Because principles protect what matters. Meaning today, many people resist structure. Yet structure often creates freedom. Discipline creates options. Integrity builds trust. Responsibility creates stability. Strong principles do not restrict life. They strengthen it. Moses sees Canaan, vision without possession. The death of Moses, a life of purpose completed. Moses dies after a life of immense responsibility. He is remembered not only for miracles, but for faithfulness, perseverance, and leadership. His life closes, but his impact remains. Meaning today, a meaningful life is not measured only by fame or possessions. It is measured by character, service, influence, what remains in others after you are gone. What Deuteronomy teaches today, this final chapter brings the whole book together. Restoration is always possible. Choices shape the future. Leadership should prepare others. Drift happens gradually. Wisdom must be remembered. Principles create strength. Contribution matters more than possession. Strong endings leave lasting impact. Final reflection. The true message of Deuteronomy is more than a repetition of laws. It is a book about remembering what matters. It teaches that success alone is not enough. You need direction, character, gratitude, courage, consistency. It teaches that every generation must choose again what to value, what to follow, how to live. And perhaps the deepest lesson is this: the greatest victories in life are not only arriving somewhere new, but becoming someone wiser along the way. So as Deuteronomy ends, the question remains for all of us: are we only seeking a destination, or are we allowing the journey to transform us? If you like this video, subscribe to Sacred Voices of Faith, where the faith is heard and the hope is renewed. Thank you for sharing.